Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we'll talk about the various remote sensing applications. Where do we apply remote sensing? Remote sensing technology and science is applied in various sectors. Some of the sectors include public health, carbon management, water management, agriculture, ecology, air quality, disaster management, and what have you. So as I mentioned in the other lectures, data is captured using satellites and aircrafts, and that data is transmitted and stored and analyzed and changed or converted into information at a planetary scale. So this big Earth observation data is changed into information. Once it is information, it can be applied in various fields, as I mentioned here, to make data-driven or informed decision. One of these examples is in agriculture. So remote sensing application in agriculture include crop type classification, which can be a land use land cover classification, and which can also help to assess crop condition and estimate crop yield, and mapping of soil characteristics, and also mapping of soil management practice and other applications. Remote sensing is also applied in natural resource management. Some of these include biodiversity estimation, forest mapping or deforestation, and water resource management, habitat analysis, impervious surface mapping, mineral, province, geomorphology, and etc. Remote sensing application in forestry has various uses. One of the famous and popular application of remote sensing is a work by Matt Hansen published in Science, High-Resolution Global Maps of the 21st Century Forest Cover Change. So this paper demonstrates a global scale use of Landsat satellite image at a spatial resolution of 30 meters to quantify forest change from 2000 to 2012. This data has been applied by Global Forest Watch to it's a kind of app that uses the data from the Hansen paper and is used to estimate forest change or deforestation rate at any place on Earth, which is used by governments and NGOs and other stakeholders to understand and quantify forest cover change in any given place or in any country. This is the app, the Global Forest Watch app, using the Hansen data, which is one very interesting example of showing remote sensing application in forestry. And remote sensing also is applicable in water resources. This is another interesting paper on Earth's surface water change over the past 30 years, which used Landsat satellite image to quantify water resource, water availability. And this is another example by the European Commission Joint Research Center to map water availability